So here it is, my veggie wraps, and with the extra vegetables, you can make yourself a salad. Yeah. Hi, I'm Christine Avanti Fisher and welcome to my kitchen. Today, I'm gonna show you how I make my version of just a simple veggie wrap. What I love about this is it's one set of tasks for 2 recipes. So we're gonna do my simple veggie wrap, and then all these vegetables that we prep and chop and peel are gonna be used for the salad that I have for dinner at night. So one set of tasks, 2 meals, simple, fast, easy, delicious, healthy, you're gonna love it. I've already prepped all of the veggies. So for your veggie wrap, use whatever veggies you have in your fridge on hand. What I use today is baby spinach leaves, some carrots, then I've got yellow bell pepper, I've got some cucumber ribbons, and yes, I even included the skin. I've got some amazing alfalfa sprouts. I love sprouts. My pickled red onions, and you can find the recipe for the pickled red onions on my YouTube channel or my website or my Instagram. I've got some beautiful shredded purple cabbage. Then I'm going to use hummus as the spread. And then I also have this unbelievably delicious eggplant spread. And then I've got some flour tortillas. You could also use gluten-free tortillas, but I just did like whole wheat flour tortillas, and I warmed them up so that they're easy to bend. All right, that's the secret. So for the veggie wrap, all you're gonna do, I like to start with the spread. So I'm gonna take some hummus. I love hummus, so delicious. It's got some nice fiber, a little bit of protein, good fat. It's made from chickpeas, so good. Okay, I love this eggplant dip. It's like a smoky flavor with some garlic. We're in Cabo right now. I bought this at a place called California Ranch Market. They are famous for it, and it is so good. I like to start with green. So we're gonna put the baby spinach leaves here. The next layer, I'm gonna do purple, okay, for this purple cabbage. What I love about cabbage is it is a cruciferous vegetable, and cruciferous vegetables are known to have so many antioxidants in them, vitamins and minerals. They're gonna reduce the risk of certain cancers in most people. We're gonna do the carrots. I love making the carrots into ribbons. It's fast, easy. This is just 1 carrot, and look how many ribbons I got from it. Yellow bell pepper in my veggie wrap. You gotta think in colorful layers. If we eat the colors of the rainbow, we're gonna be healthy. All right, so there's my alfalfa sprouts. Then I've got my yummy cucumber ribbons. Look at that. And yes, I even use the skin, okay? We've got some good vitamins, minerals in that cucumber ribbon. And I'm just gonna lay it as flat as I can. Last but not least, and this is where you're gonna get a nice punch of flavor also, is these pickled red onions. I love pickling them, so simple. So we're just gonna roll it. Nice and simple. And it's not perfect. You could eat it this way, okay? But I'm gonna cut it in half. All right, it's kind of coming undone. You have to hold it. Wow, look at that. So good, so delicious, okay? This is one of my favorite salads ever. It's just a simple veggie salad with quinoa. So I've got a bed of mixed greens. I'm just gonna put some quinoa all over. This is my protein source. I love quinoa. So giving me some good healthy carbs and some good protein. Cabbage, shredded cabbage. So high in vitamins, minerals, and color. Look at this color. Then we'll do a little bit of carrot ribbons. A lot of bell pepper here. So we're just gonna put a lot of this beautiful yellow bell pepper. Cucumber ribbons. You can always just chop up cucumber, but I think the ribbons are pretty. A little bit of sprouts. Sprouts always make it good. And then I love the pickled red onion. So delicious for a nice pop of flavor. This is a red wine vinaigrette. I'm not gonna pour it because I'm gonna save the salad for dinner tonight when we're having dinner, okay? So there you go. And you could use whatever protein you want. I really don't eat meat. I eat very little. So we've got this beautiful quinoa. I like to put that on my salads, but you can put grilled salmon, grilled chicken, grilled shrimp. We can add more veggies to this. I mean, where are the avocados, right? I don't know. We need to add avocado to this, I think. 2 meals, 1 set of tasks. That's what I like. You've got my veggie wraps. Here's one that's open faced. You can see all the deliciousness. And then with all of the extra veggies, after you make the wraps, you can make a beautiful bowl of veggie salad with your favorite protein. Well, thanks for watching. Remember to like, save, share, and that you are deeply loved by God.